Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, we will be learning how to change your country in CoinTracker. To change your country in CoinTracker, first of all, open up the CoinTracker application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on Account. Once you end up in the Accounts tab, click on Home Country. Now select a different country you want to change to from the list. Once you do that, you will be able to change your country right away for CoinTracker. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.